You've probably never heard of these birds, but they're among the most incredible on Earth. Number 5. Kakapo. This rare parrot from New Zealand can't fly, can live for decades, and is one of the heaviest parrots in the world. Number 4. Great Potu. With its perfect camouflage, this bird can disappear into plain sight by looking exactly like a broken tree branch. Number 3. Hoatzin. Nicknamed the stink bird, young hoatzins are born with clawed wings that help them climb through trees. Number 2. Harpy Eagle. One of the most powerful birds of prey on Earth, the Harpy Eagle can hunt monkeys and sloths high in the rainforest canopy. Number 1. Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour during its hunting dives. From perfect mimics to lightning-fast hunters, these birds prove that nature can create some truly incredible creatures. Which bird impressed you the most? Tell me in the comments.